Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rzzmnky token. Now Rizz, is a very popular word with the kids, short for charisma. So I guess this monkey has charisma, he's going to finesse everybody. Ticker symbol for this token is RZZMNKY, pretty crazy ticker symbol there, or token symbol. Their official webpage is Rzzmnky.xyz, and this token is live for pre-sale right now. You can get involved with this pre-sale if you like. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Rzzmnky, you can find on their webpage, Rzzmnky.xyz. On there you can find buy now, how to buy, roadmap, tokenomics, pre-sale stages, frequently asked questions, token info. All their socials are on here. They have a Telegram, which you can find at Rzzmnky, real easy to find. They have a Twitter, they do have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at RZZMNKY, basically the ticker symbol. That's where you can find their Twitter. They have an Instagram, same thing, RZZMNKY. And they also have a TikTok, which is the same address as well. So the only different one basically is their Telegram, which is just at Rzzmnky. Now, they have a countdown on their page. They're doing a pre-sale right now. So there's a 23 days, 23 hour, 41 minute countdown going on right now as of recording this video, where it says the USDT will be raised, after 23 more days here. So you got a lot of time to go check this out before the price increases here. You have the price, one Rzzmnky token equals 0.0000006264 USDT. Now you can connect your wallet on their webpage here, and you can buy the token with either Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or Bitcoin. And it shows you if you pay in Ethereum, how many Rzzmnky tokens you will get. So it says, get some game with the Rzzmnky token. Hello, I am Rzzmnky. I have an ancient technique from my ancestors which makes it irresistible. It's called Rizz. My sweet face is certainly familiar to you because I am very active on social media, and I've already put together and built a large community at Rzzmnky token. People can buy shares of the Rizz and easily have their Rizz. Rizz for anyone. Take a dive, it says. So, pretty goofy meme coin, of course, here. Now, featured in PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, it says. Now, it shows step-by-step how to buy, connect your wallet, yada, yada, yada. They have the contract address. It says, please do not send money directly to the contract address, of course. And their roadmap is on here. So first phase of the roadmap is going to be the white paper. We'll see if I can find the white paper in a second. Then site launch, token development, tokenomics, and market research. Second phase is going to be pre-sale start, token launch, social media, launch campaign, central exchange and decentralized exchange listings, CoinMarketCap listings. Phase 3 is going to be partnerships, community events, marketing, charity events, and phase 4 is more coming soon. So they do have a token metrics allocation pie chart on here, where it says 20% of the tokens go to the team, 55% pre-sale, 5% marketing, 10% central exchange liquidity and listings, 10% decentralized exchange liquidity. So it goes over the pre-sale stages right here. So they have stage 1, 2, and 3, and then the decentralized, centralized exchange listings. And yeah, so Rzzmnky is the most famous, most Rizz obtaining monkey in the entire universe. Don't get too close, or otherwise he will steal your Rizz and your girlfriend. So that's who the Rzzmnky is. Why would you get Rzzmnky? Well, not holding the token is one thing that keeps you from seducing any girl you like. Obviously, this is all goofy. Don't take this at face value. This is all a joke, basically. Don't wait and grab your token now. Jokes aside, the token has big potential and a growing community supporting the project. When will I get my Rizz token? So as soon as the last pre-sale phase ends, you'll be able to claim your tokens within a 10-week period. Every other week, you'll be able to claim 10% of your purchased tokens. Where and when can I start trading Rzzmnky? Well, the Rzzmnky token will launch on PancakeSwap first. Central exchange listings will follow soon after. The launch on PancakeSwap will be a few days after the pre-sale ends. You can find further information regarding this on their social medias. What is the potential of Rzzmnky? Thanks to vesting, hard cap pre-sale, and very low market cap at launch, there's big potential for massive gains. With a growing community, the token will be able to skyrocket. What about charity? We support animal rights organizations, thus 0.069% of the team tokens will go straight towards charity supporting monkeys. And what about decentralized exchange liquidity? We aim for a very high level of liquidity. If we reach pre-sale targets, we will put 10% of the total token supply into decentralized exchange liquidities. In order to achieve the desired launch price, 22.3% of the total pre-sale income must flow into liquidity. If the pre-sale target is not reached, the liquidity decreases, but this has no influence on the planned launch price. So, yeah, very much a meme coin. You can follow all their socials if you like. They're all listed here on Rzzmnky.xyz. Terms and conditions, contact, email, all that type of stuff is on their webpage as well. So go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.